AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 Cash Group Definitions. In cash collections and payment transactions, you can configure your cash flow by choosing groups as well as the cash. There's a 3-layer group structure where you can create the structure. These are the main group, middle group, and subgroup. To define a cash group, click the Cash Group Definitions button from the Definitions list in the Finance Management menu. From the window that opens, you can specify the group name, description, and group sequence number for the main group. Only the group name is required on the screen. Name your group and press the Save button. You can also open a new main group record by clicking the Add New Record button. You can create a middle group just like you created the main group. While any main group is selected, click the F5 button or click the Middle Group Records button in the upper left part of the screen. You can do the same for the subgroup. You don't have to use this group structure in 3 layers. You can use it only as a main group or as a main and middle group if you wish. It can change dynamically according to the structure of your business.